Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to stop family sharing on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. Okay guys, so firstly what you need to do is just simply open settings and then you have to tap on your Apple IT panel like this. Now from here you have to scroll it down a bit. As you can see guys, it's showing here family sharing option. Just simply tap on this. Now as you can see guys, here it's showing ABC me organizer option, so you have to tap on this. Now as you can see guys, it's clearly mentioned here stop using family sharing. Tap on this. Now as you can see guys, it's showing here family sharing will be turned off. Family members will no longer be able to share access to subscription purchases and other service your family is sharing. If you want to stop this one, so you have to tap on this to confirm the process. Okay guys, now after that you have to tap on this, and if you want to turn it on, then you have to tap on this again, and after that you will be able to enable it again. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.